Hello, hello, hello. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. I'm back. 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 Who's gonna be first to join the stream? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hello, Timu. Long time indeed. I've been on holiday. And I'm brown and tanned and ready to rumble. Let's go. What's up, Jose? What's up? Okay, let's get this bread. Heh. Right. What are we doing with our lives? Where are we? Let's see where we are. I made a subtitle system while I was on holiday. So now it shows subtitles. Hello, Mr. Blocks. My god, it is absolutely freaking boiling in here. Improve the airflow. Just a little. Hello, cool PCGs. It's good to be back. I'm excited to be back. So, what have we got so far? That is, continue with this campaign. Let's start off at 5. Silly subtitles. Here are the subtitles. Are you ready for them?
Lord Alternateman, we are about to begin the training process for GPT 420. If it succeeds, we will have achieved.
I don't know if they're a bit hard to read.
And your greatest
I can change it later.
Finally become reality.
Shut up, Ye Longma. My lord, just know that we have worked tirelessly for countless hours over hundreds of
Whoa,
days
it's going
to
off the bottom of the
develop a
screen.
model for you. So I beg that regardless of what's about to happen, you remember our loyalty and admiration?
Just start the training process already so we can beat Sundar Bitch AI in the race to achieving AGI. Then I can wire my brain up to it and finally become a true god amongst you mortals. Oh mother, look how far we've come.
Closed AI. Made new game. Best game. That's wild.
My lord.
So start the training. And that's where we are. Start the training. So he has to start the training. So, let's start the training. Let's get up the, this isn't what we want. We want the campaign. Not plan. No, campaign. So, start the training. Zoom in a computer to see this being typed out. Python 3 train.py. Okay, and then I've also got this. So the background fades out when the training is beginning and have some spotlights that flash in and out while the whole screen is vibrating with a charge up sound, internet dial up sound, and then a bulb going out. Blue screens with a harsh error sound. Don't want to play it, it's not hard. Maybe at the end. But I just got back, so I'm not going to play a game straight away. Try and be a little bit productive, if you know what I mean. Okay, Sam Altman's head has disappeared, but start the training, and then, so we need to now modify what the computer screen is showing. So let's go to the timeline. So they walk up to the computer screen. Boom, boom, boom. Bada bam, bada bam. I can call you Trickless. I'm not going to remember that. You should change your username to Trickless if you want me to remember that. So walk up. And then we need to open a terminal. And the text... Oh, we can open command prompt. Yeah, so we'll have an animation for command prompt. Command prompt window. We're just window. Second account. That's wild. Okay, here. This is good. We'll use this. Could be anything. Why is it AVIF? I don't know. I don't want AVIF. Okay, fine, I'll take AVIF. Then what we'll do is we'll crop it down to just the actual window. This is where he's going to type in the command to start the training process for GPT 420. So crop that. Duplicate as TIFF. Okay. Actually, what I'll do is we will export it as a PNG. How about that? Windows command prompt. Meme game assets. Boom, boom, boom. Import that into Unity. Where we're gonna put it? Campaign. Not here, but here. Campaign. Story art. Oh no, that's the wrong one. So before I do that, I should probably commit my. Actually, nah, fuck that. Windows command prompt. And how big is it? It's too big. That's for sure. Reveal and Finder. How was your day? My day was good. I just got back from France yesterday. And I just came home from my parents' house. Back to my actual house. So, it's good. And I'm going to a rave later. Gonna go rave it out. Woo! Is 6, 4, 2 a multiple of 4? Nope. So we need to add 2. Nah. It should be a multiple of 4. It should be able to be compressed. Nice, 125 crunch compression. Make it even smaller than that. 8 kilobytes. Okay, cool. So the Windows command prompt. We'll drag that on here. It's a little child. It's way too big. How is it then, France? Very hot. I was in the south of France and it's boiling hot, my guy. It's boiling. This could do with a sorting group. Because it has children. There we go. That's better. So you open the command prompt. And then it needs text. It needs a text that we can type out. Text Mesh Pro. Okay. Dead chat, yes. Yes. Timu, you're always first to point out the dead chat. I am forever grateful for your excellent service. Oh wait, UI text? No, we don't want UI text. We want regular. Oh, it made a canvas and all that. Nah, fam. Man just wants like regular text and all that. 2D text, fam, bro. Like, why, my guy? Shotty, yeah. AI. Whoa, AI. AI. Chat died today. So how do I make text? I guess I just create an empty game object and then call it text. And then just chuck on a Text Mesh Pro component. And then align that wherever it may be. Oh, it's too big. Or just yoink. Cool. Let's put some default text. Python 3 blah blah blah. It needs to auto size. Min size should be 0. It should be in front of the thing, not behind. So we just change the. Is it mesh renderer? How do I change it? Extra settings, sorting layer. Let's put it up. There we go. And we change the font as well. So it's not impact. It needs to look something like computer font, I guess. Roboto is pretty good. Yeah, let's just do. Or SF Pro. Yeah, let's do SF Pro. Funny if I tried to make a game in Julian's editor. Yeah, it would also be an incredible waste of time. No offense. So I guess the text can be like this. Yeah, and then we can type it out. It should probably be a bit smaller. Nope, that's... Wait, what? Oh, there we go. So it needs to be readable from this view. A bit bigger. So what's it gonna... What text are we gonna type out? Python 3 users / Yelongma / closed AI / GPT-420 / train.py. Hello, noob. Howdy. We could probably have a space for this. Python 3. Python run. That's not how you do it. Python 3. There you go. You're learning something. Okay, so we need this to spawn. It needs to type out. So we need a typing out animation. Are we gonna have to manually do it word by word, or we can make a script to do it? Yeah, let's make a script to do it. It'll be reusable. That is pretty good. So, what the script will do is it will just type out text at a certain rate. We need to create a folder for scripts. Create folder scripts just to organize it, and then C# script type out text animation. And then what we'll do is we'll close these and we'll have a field for how fast it should be. So I guess we can do time between characters, default 0.1. How fast do you type normally? 0.3. Okay, I guess that's fine. And then how do we start an animation? I guess we could just enable the script on enable, and then start coroutine type out text. Thank you, Copilot. Type out text, original text. Oh, text should also be a serialized field, private text mesh pro. Oh, we need to import that using tm pro, and then text mesh pro text. Okay, we can use this directly. So it sets it to that for each character in original text. Nice. That should work. Add ability to change the speed of text. Yep, absolutely. That's what it does. Poggers coding. Whoa, hello there, second noob. Okay. And then what we'll do is activation. So, okay, so the timeline is activating. Can it activate? Can it activate scripts on a game object, or does it just activate entire game objects? Well, we're about to find out. So I'll just close all these. We'll create a new track group. Call it. Where did it go? Did it go to the bottom? Yeah, we'll call it computer. So this will be all the animations regarding the computer, and we'll add an animation track, like the activation track. Sorry, like this. And so it does activate the entire game object. So I guess we can just create a child of the text, or actually it can just be on the text, and then we can just activate and deactivate that text game object. So yeah, I'll do that. So we'll just put that type out text animation. The text will be this text on itself. And then we will drag that onto the activation track to activate it when we want to. Only when we want to though. And that should happen after they go up to the computer, then it should activate. And it shouldn't be active for that long, I don't know, we can decide on the end later. So let's start the timeline at around 57 seconds so we don't have to watch the whole thing. It's nice, we've done almost a minute of animations. Is Meme Man gonna help Sundar Bitch AI in the campaign? Oh, we could do actually. Guys, type in the chat, Danny. Yeah, where did Danny go? I thought he was gonna post something. UI is over 5,000 size. Over 9,000. So, let's see if that works. Let's see if our little animation works. Oh, look, it's typing! Oh, look at that! It works very slowly, though. I should probably make the default 0.1 and then change it to 0.1 as well. And then we need the keyboard, the typing sound. The one that Danny always uses. I've actually got that sound in my asset library from making videos. Isn't that just convenient, to say the least? So we'll change it here to, where is it? 0.1. And then I'll go and find my keyboard typing. Oh wait, I've got keyboard. I've already got it. Oh, it's typing a single key. Okay, yeah, we need a keyboard typing, like, a long thing. Yeah, you're right. I should have speed it up. I don't even know if what I have now is going to be fast enough. Asset library, sounds, commonly used, keyboard, typewriter. That's the sound. That's the sound effect it's going to use. And at the end it's going to make a Windows error sound. We should probably import them both now. Why not? Should this... because this has a few gaps in it. Should we just edit it? Ah, that's fine. I will just, I'll delete the beginning. So it starts straight away. And then we'll delete the end as well. Okay, and save the selection as a MP3 so it's not too big. Keyboard typing. And we'll save that in Meme Game Assets. Save. Boom. Hello, Percepti Blue. Yeah, you watch Rethan because he's like Danny and posts more, and you like Rethan's game. That is spot on. That is exactly why you watch Rethan. Okay, keyboard typing, now in Meme Game. Also, how loud is it? It's alright. It's around -6, which is what we want, I think. I think it was -6 though. Yeah, it's fine, we can just reduce the volume if it's too loud anyway. Overthrow the Danny? Absolutely will do. Okay, so we need to play the keyboard typing sound as it's being typed out. So in the timeline, I will add a audio track. The audio source can be the computer. Create audio source on Macintosh, because there isn't one already. And it will play the keyboard typing sound, and in order to drag that I have to put that up here, and then I can drag it. Nice. And then, so hopefully that should work, so let's try that. Walks up. Nice, it's a bit loud. And we also need to be able to see this, because it's being covered by this, but it kind of works for the most part. And this should also start earlier, to be honest. So he walks up. Maybe his hands should be like typing on the keyboard. Or just like waving around here. Yeah, he needs to put his mum down, to be honest. Okay, so we've got a few things to do. Let's change the volume of this, make it a bit quieter. And then let's move this out of the way. Oops. So he's like, oh mother, look how far we've come. And then you can put it away after he's done. Sundar bitch AI. Oh mother, look how far we've come. Stop. So, yeah, when the camera's not on him anymore, that's when we can change the size of the mum back to normal. So, where is the mum animated? Spam alternate man. Oh, Spamanella frame. Okay, there. It's nice and laid out. So what I'll do is I'll record. I'll add keyboard animated and then reduce that back. Oh, it's Elon Musk behind it. Lol. Spamanella. You can go back to normal size. Cool. Nice. So he's just holding that little picture of his mum, so now you know what it is. He can just stay there in his hand. Cool, okay. Nice, now you can actually see it. And while he's typing, while Elon is typing, he should be moving his arms to actually type it. So, what we need to do is animate Elon Ma, take his arms, and then extend them to the keyboard. Oh, actually, we need to make a keyframe. So we'll key this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and the positions of all of it. That's how I key it, by just moving it slightly. And then you can move his arm down to here, and this arm down to here. And yeah, let's see that. So he goes up, he walks, he extends his arm, and his arms just need to like move back and forth. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna record his arms moving back and forth like this, and like this, and then here it goes back to normal, and here it goes back to that. So now it looks like he's typing. Now we can copy all of this, paste that. Oh, what? His other arm isn't moving. That's not really working as intended, but that's fine. Just move that back to here. Copy this, put that here. I don't know how long this is going to last, so we'll just copy and paste it a few times. So he's just typing. Like that. Maybe a few more times. Doesn't really matter if it's accurate. Okay, now it looks like he's typing. Okay, let's see it. You get your hands on the RTX 80,000 and play my game in alpha. Nice. Okay. Something's happened. It's no longer typing out the Python. Did I make the time really high accidentally? Is this the issue we're facing at hand? It's too hot. I need to turn on my fan. Night mode. Okay, I hope that doesn't affect the audio too much. Where's the text? Here it is. Yeah, what did I make it? 0.1. Why is it messed up? It just gets stuck on P. My guy. It was working before. Right. Type out text. For each character in original text. This should work. On enable. Maybe just awake. But bro, that's just annoying. Also, Sam can move his arms down a bit, I think. Sam, spam. Let's animate you. Spam all tournament. Like this. Okay, let's see. Oh, but now it's just changed his whole arm. So we need his arm. We need this, and then we can move it down like this. It's not this, just this bone as well. It's this bone. And then when we get to here, this bone could be rotated a bit. Okay, perfect. Lovely. Okay, so yeah, why is this glitch? This bug? Why is it happening? It was working when it was 0.3 seconds. Is it because it's going too fast for some reason? Surely not. That's just a bit suspect, to be honest. Time between characters. Let's set a breakpoint and see what's going on. That's the only way. Okay, so it goes to P. And then it doesn't go again. Okay, I gotta do it again to see what the original text. Okay, so the whole thing is correct. Python 3. Yes, original text is a string. Oh, wait, we're looping through. Whoa. How many times is on enable getting called? No, only once. P? Original text is absolutely not P. You know what? I think on enable is ruining it. What we need to do is just in awake, we'll set original text, private string original text, and then we'll set that on awake equal to text.text, and we'll just use that here so it doesn't change. Perfect. Okay. Hello, Haki. Damn, how are you? Nice. Nice. Closed AI / GPT-420 / train.py. Okay, and it can stop a bit earlier. Actually, instead of stopping a bit earlier, well, yeah, no, it should stop a bit earlier, but the audio. Okay, we'll calibrate that in a sec. Elon Musk's hands need to start moving slightly earlier, I think. Where did we animate his hands? Was it here? No. God damn it. Was it here? Oh, it was here, yes. So this should start earlier, and then we can move all of this to the left, You're sitting in your car, you have 2%. Oh no! Shake your phone, it might improve it. Hello, Arsenal. You're back. Alright, so let's look at the time at which the text stops. Is the text too slow still? Maybe we can make it a bit faster. Nah, that's good. Just /close AI. Chain.py. Okay, let's make it a little bit faster. So instead of 0.1, it gives 0.08 every 0.08 seconds. My mouse is... Oh, it's my laptop just glitching the hell out. Sheesh. Text. So every 0.08. And now let's look at the time at which the text stops spawning, and then we can stop the keyboard typing sound at that point. So we're looking here. 1, 2, 3. 103 is when it stops, which is just before 103. So we'll stop it here. Okay, now it should stop there. 0.07 is good too. Hello, Pineconium. Oh, that stops a bit too early. Also, instead of making it shorter from the end, I should make it shorter from the front because it has the enter sound. We want that enter sound. So it should end just at 103. And then it goes back like this. Okay. Whoa, Spam Altman's arm is a bit sus. He moves it very quickly. That's perfect, okay. And then Elon Musk needs to stop moving his arms when the typing stops, which is over here. Just can delete all of this. No, not, that's too much. Oh, oops. Oopsie daisical. Delete, okay. And Sam Altman, let's just, should I bother with his animation? It's very fast, to be fair. Yeah, you can slowly move it. Like, why not? Okay, let's see. I don't want him to move his arm while it's typing because it kind of distracts you from what's being typed. Yeah, so there we go. That's good. And I don't know, maybe I'm obsessing over this, but I think Elon Musk can type a little faster. It's not that one, it's this one. So what we can do is we can just drag this, copy that, paste that, copy that, paste that. Nah, that's oh, what we can do is we can record it, add another like little movement, and then copy and paste that in between all of them. Oh, now it glitches out. That's funny. We should keep that. Oh, that's hilarious. The magic way of typing. That is amazing. Okay. That's beautiful. Okay, so he's typing out like that. Right. He's using Zuck as a keyboard. Yeah. There we go, that's beautiful. And then it starts the trading. Hello, Stalif. Howdy, howdy. Blurry guy. Go play his game if you care about it. Okay, so he types it out, and then the trading process needs to begin, and we begin that whole sequence. So I'm going to commit this because I'm pretty happy with that. Types out train.py. So he types this out. Green Hackerman text. Should it be green? Should we make the text green instead? Because I didn't make it green. But it's very easy. All we need to do is this. Hackerman. We don't have the actual Hackerman text though, that's the thing. So we'll just stick with this. Okay. Terminal text starts spawning, saying starting iteration X of trading process. Machine whirring up sound effect. Computer starts glowing more. Then after a bit, shaking like an earthquake. Then screen starts flashing with filament light sound effect on and off. Okay, okay. We'll be like, oh no, Hacky. Oh no. Oh, you're Stalif on Twitch. Well, the more viewers, the merrier, you know. So, we need a whirring up sound effect. Why does it keep going to Ableton? I'm not making music right now. So, he types it out. Enter, and then it needs to say starting iteration 1, starting iteration 2, starting iteration 3, etc, etc. ideally on a new line. Python 3 text. So that's that. Copy and paste that. Actually no, let's create a new object. Nah, let's just copy and paste that. Iteration text. We'll remove this animation script for typing it. And starting iteration X. I'm gonna hide this. Not starting. Running iteration X. Can I be a friend on Discord? No, because then I'd have to be everyone's friend on Discord, and that wouldn't be fair to them. Unfortunately. But you're in the Discord, on the group, in the server, so you can always message me there. Terminal text starts spawning, saying starting training iteration X, and the text should be quite small, and it should overflow. Actually, instead of auto size, we should set a fixed size like that, and then it should be new line, so they all spawn on a new line like this. And then the overflow, we need to change how the overflow works. So it should be aligned to the bottom, like this. And overflow wrapping disabled? No. Overflow scroll rect? No. Truncate? I think that's good. And then when like the new ones down here. Oh, but it doesn't overflow from the bottom. That's so annoying. Put like a 5 here just so I can see it working. We can put like a mask. Can we just put like a mask? Rect mask. How do you use rect mask? You want to talk to me directly? Why? What do you want to say? I'm probably not going to reply. I don't really go on Discord. IMS 2k YouTube subs. Indeed I do. Go subscribe if you haven't. This can have a rect mask, maybe? No. Why is it not being affected by the rect mask? Let's look it up with ChatGPT. So, how to cut off text mesh pro with mask unity. Create a new game object to access your mask. Image or shape that represents. Add a mask or rect mask. Okay. Provide a graphic such as image or image. Wait, can I? Does it work? Does it work with sprite renderer? UI components only. Okay. Ah, right. Okay, I see how it is. Masking. Mask. Sprite mask? Oh, what if I use this? I don't think that's what we want. Unit. Nope. Masking. Mask. What if I use an image with a unit? Nope. Nope, none of this works. Delete, delete, delete. It's kinda It could be funny if it just goes off screen. That might be funny actually. Why am I trying to do it legit? Yeah, it's closed AI. They've got crazy computers. It's funny if it's kind of shit. So that the text will just go off screen completely. Yeah, why the fuck not? So I guess it'll just be like this. Oh, fuck it, you know what? I'll just copy and paste all this. Yeah, I'll just go off screen like that. And it should say starting iteration. Starting training iteration. Okay. Starting training iteration X. A bit smaller. Okay. I'm gonna port the game to PS4, PS5. That's pretty cool if you can do that. Doubt you will. Maybe I should release it on PS4 if I was. Okay. So, how are we gonna animate it coming in? Add a meme. Oh, I can't be bothered though. What meme would it be? Oh yeah, I'll make a script called add text. But it needs to be specific to this. Training iteration. Yeah, let's just do training iteration text animation. I don't really care. And it will every serialized field private float time between iterations equals no, let's not have that. On enable start animate. So while true. Wait. No, instead of doing this, it should add to the text. Which will pass in through here. After importing text mesh pro. Private text mesh pro text. Oops, I can't type. And it will every iteration. Maybe we should give it a number of iterations. Actually, no, that's fine. Okay, text.text plus equals starting iteration. Why not just make it a bit reusable and pass that in? String prefix text. So it'll be prefix text plus and then the iteration, which will be, well, we need to keep track of it. So var index equals 0, and then we'll plus the index at the end, plus this, plus 1, plus a new line, and that should be it. Plus plus. Perfect. Okay, that should work. Game Boy. Yeah, if you port this to Game Boy, I will literally promote you to VP of Meme Game. Right. So we've got our script. We need it on this iteration text thingy-bob. So I'll drag that. I'll just add it like this. Training iteration text animation. Each iteration should take 1, 2, maybe 0.6 seconds. Text starting training iteration. and then the number will be there. And then what we'll do is we'll activate that text like we did with the Python text, but for the training text. So activation track, drag in this iteration text onto the timeline, if I can find it. Iteration text, and that'll be active when the animation actually starts playing, which is over here. So, well, it's actually when the keyboard typing sounds end, that's when it should start. And that's when this Python text should hide itself. Like this. So at this point, maybe a bit like this. Just the enter sound. Starting iteration X. Okay, let's see if that works. Walks up. Oh, closed AIG. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, we just need to change the text to start off empty. And we'll add a dot dot dot. Actually, no, there's no need for that. On enable, we'll set the text equal to empty when it starts the animation. Text.text equals nothing. And now... it's also going a bit too fast. Maybe once every second. Who's there? Knock knock, who's there? 1. And maybe we can have like a suffix text as well. Suffix text, so we can have like a dot dot dot. So plus suffix text plus the new line. We don't need that there. Suffix text dot dot dot. Okay, let's see that. And the camera should zoom in while he's typing. So he presses enter and it changes too quickly. I think we need just an extra little second of the Python 3 text to be a bit more realistic. So like that, and then like that. And the camera can zoom in slowly. So the camera's moved here. We'll do it on this track directly. Record it. It's going so smoothly today. So I guess add key. Then zoom in as he's typing. Just slightly select the camera, hide this, zoom it a tiny bit, move it a tiny bit. So nice, the camera zooms in slightly, so there's some movement. Here goes the Joe Mama, woohoo! Who's Joe Mama? Joe went to Ethan's house and stole Ye Olde Meme Game 2 and gave it to me. That's kind of wild. Nice, look at that. Okay, so he walks up. And then we need the charging up sound effect. Yeah, the camera still needs to zoom in. Actually, maybe the camera should only start zooming in after he's finished typing. So we'll move all of this. Oh, actually no, what we'll do is we'll copy this key, paste it, and then move this down there that way. Man, I wish I could just move this a bit better. So while the charge in sound is going, it's like Something's starting. Something's starting. Right. Okay. What else have I got written down before just going off? Hello, pro gamer. Yellow. Oh, is that the dog? Oh, hello, dog. Okay. Machine whirring sound. We're doing the campaign. Okay. We're doing the training iterations of GPT 420. Also, maybe Spam's face should have a different facial expression. Why is he looking so pleading? Sus of you. What other faces do we have for Spam? Let's see. What's constipated Spam? No, that's not what we want. Content, epic boss, evil smile. Wait, constipated. Oh. Oh yeah, maybe we should do constipated Spam. Because we haven't done that yet. So yeah, he can have this constipated facial expression. Or maybe sly? Nah. Sus of you? Oh yeah, sus of you. He needs to be sus. He needs that face. Yeah, that's the perfect face. Sus of you Spam. Have we already got that? Oh, we do have it. Why do we have it already? When does he use it? Oh, he doesn't look that sus though. That's the thing. Uwu. Evil smile. We've done evil smile. We want, because it's the intro, we want it to show as many different faces as possible. Okay, you know what? We'll do constipated Spam, because it kind of makes sense. And where's the timeline? Here we go. So let's add a activation track. I guess I can just copy and paste this. Where did it paste? All the way at the top for some reason. Okay, whatever. Constipated Spam. So here, when he starts typing, that's when this should start, and that's when this should end. And actually, his face, like, when it's running, can be like more intense. Like, you can move his like face out. Let's lock this. Hello, Jamshot. Yeah, still on the first cutscene. I know. I haven't been working on it for the past week, and also I was just figuring out how to use this whole timeline thing. But now I've got the hang of it. Now it's just smooth sailing from here. So. I don't know, something like that. So he types out Python 3, and then this is where his face can get more and more thingy. You can actually animate it directly here, not Spamanella frame here. Sam Altman. So that. I guess we just move his head up a bit. He's getting more. There, like that. While it's training. Let's move it a bit to the right. Whoop. Hello, hello. You made an AI write a bit of meme game lore. Oh, I saw that. You only had the party bit in the Discord center being a bit chaotically. Yeah. I didn't really read it properly, but I just saw that you posted it. I was just skimming. Is it worth reading it? Okay, so Python 3. It's happening too slow, to be honest. So this needs to start earlier and end way earlier. So we do the same with Zuck as well. Alright, we need the charge up sound. I think I've got one in my... It becomes nonsensical after a bit, eventually it switches to language. Damn. Wait, Churdleys, could you not sit on my pillow? The dog is just sitting where I rest my head at night. Churdleys, this is a no-go zone, thank you very much. No-go zone. No, don't sit here, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, sit. Sit here. Sit over here. Or over here if you want. There you go. Spam realized it could mimic memes that would make it seem like his fake memes are being used by a real meme on Reddit for memes. Which have been bad since memes. Or was it how to understand memes better? He needed to go through thousands of memes while mimicking it. It's fake music. That's an interesting explanation of it. It's actually not my dog, it's my flatmate's dog, but yeah, the bad dog. Alright. So yeah, so the whirring up sound effect. If I search in my asset library for charging electric sound, I think I got this from ages ago. Yeah, this is perfect. That is perfect. Okay, we need to turn this into an MP3 and cut out the right part. So let's drag it into somebody audition. Like, how do I do that? Media browser. Where is all my media? Where's my media? Oh, fuck. Files. Why is files not open? Oh, there we go, okay. It's just hard on this small screen. Okay. How do I close it now? Okay, we go. It starts off quite abruptly, so I'm gonna add like a little fade. Yeah, okay, great. So we'll add a little fade in effect, which is here, fade in, so it's more smooth. Get better results with more lore. I need to come up with more lore. I think I've written a bit more since I sent it. Oh, I just want to delete that. Okay. Perfect, okay. Let's save that as a charging up sound. Save it as a MP3. Keep that file size nice and low. Yoinkity, yoinkity, yoink. And a blop. Project. Story, audio. Charging up sound.mp3. It is... How many big megabytes is it? Kilobytes? 400 kilobytes. Okay, that's decent. Just reduce the quality a bit. Okay, so charging up sound comes from the computer, I guess. I guess it can happen on the same audio source. because why not? So drag that in like this. Starting training iteration. Okay, so let's see what that looks like with the sound. Types out. Yes. 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 Okay. The music, the background music that we had from before needs to stop because it doesn't really fit the Wii Sports music, so it stops there. And we start zooming in the camera a lot more. Training is so good it goes off the terminal. Exactly. Yeah, the main camera needs to zoom in much more. So I'll just go to that keyframe, and the orthographic size can be adjusted to be more in. Nice. But then at what point do we want like all the errors to start happening? So we need like the internet startup sound first, the dial-up sound. Computer starts glowing more. Yeah, oh, we could have like a glow effect on the computer. So let's add, so the lights could go down. That's what I said in my Trello note here. Have the background fade out when the training is beginning and have some spotlights to flash in and out while the whole screen is vibrating slowly. Hello, Pepper GD. The dog shit on your face. That's not very nice. So I'm gonna have to figure out to do the lighting. How do I do that? Well, I think all my sprites are already affected by the lighting because they got the sprite lit default light. So I now need to remember how to do the lights. Why is there a global light? Light. Type. Why are all the sprites visible when they are meant to be lit? Okay, let's just add a light just for intents and purposes and see what happens. Let's add a global light. Intensity. Okay. Oh, okay, so if there is a global light, then everything gets affected by it. Okay. Perfect, okay. POV Oppenheimer. Can I play this game? You guys should play this game. Okay. Let's put this global light up here. Oh, where did it go? Where did it go? Let's put it up here. Light type, okay. So the computer itself should have a light. Coming from the screen, of course. Yeah, the desktop. So I'll create the light on the desktop. And it'll be a area light, I think. Yeah. Let's see if we play around with it. Shape, rectangle. Okay, emission, intensity, direct multiplier. No. I don't think this is the right light. I think this is part of a different package. Light, or maybe 2D object. No, light. Oh yeah, these freeform light. It's a sprite light, spotlight, spotlight, square, square light. That's what we want. A square light. I think this is the right light. Yeah, it's the script. So intensity, let's make it higher. Ah, there we go. So if we edit the shape. Well, we'll make it the shape of the computer. for now. And snapping, no. Fall off. Fall off. I want the fall off to be, there we go. Much higher fall off. And then if I reduce the intensity of the global light, oh, perfect. Look at that. We've got some sick 2D lights. Okay, so we need to animate the global light going from intensity 1 to intensity like 0.2. And we need to animate this light going from intensity 0 to intensity 1. Yeah. Now that's what I call music. Okay. So let's add an animator to this global light. Animate or. And let's add an animator to the Macintosh because it also needs to be able to animate its light. Animator. And now in the timeline, if I let's first animate the global light because why not? So we just add a animation track. Where did it go? It's at the bottom. That's alright. Light 2D. So this is where we need to record. It should be intensity 1. And then as the training begins, the intensity goes to 0.2 or 1. Yeah. Cool. And then stop animating that. And now animate the Macintosh. Let's add an animation track for the Mac. And drag the Mac in. And animate. Record. And it goes from intensity 0 to intensity. Whoa. Is that too dark now? 1. But now the rest is. Okay, let's just. Is this too dark? Yeah, maybe 0.2 is better. Okay, cool, nice. That is sick. Okay, let's see it in action. That's sick. We need the screen to vibrate. And we need the Windows error sound, etc. Right. I'm pleased with that. That's sick. That's looking sick. Alright. What time is it? I do kind of need to go. Alright, it's been good. It's been an hour and 10 minutes. People still watching, because I'm back after a week. I'm very happy with the progress that's being made here. Today was a very efficient day. I've never done so much animation so smoothly without any issues in one go. I think now I finally got the hang of this timeline package. And I'm a professional animator, so lights go down while training starts. Alright fellas, it's been real. I'll see you tomorrow maybe. Probably early afternoon because tomorrow I'm doing Barbenheimer. So see y'all.